Hello, I'm Elizabeth Tompkins, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the portable app Inkscape for importing, crop or clipping, resizing, adding text, and exporting picture files. The first thing that I'll be focusing on is importing the document into Inkscape. In this case, a picture file. Go to the File tab. Select the Import button. It also is Control-I. Find the document where I have it saved. In my case, it's on the desktop. Click the picture and select Open. Once the document is open, I want to zoom out. To do this, I can go to View, Zoom, Zoom Out, or I can press the minus button on the screen. Once the document is the ideal size, I move into the next step, which is cropping or clipping the picture. The second step that I want to demonstrate is cropping, or in Inkscape's case, clipping the object. For this particular project, I want to focus on creating a rectangular crop where the sun is near the center of the frame. To do this, I select the rectangular tool on the side. You can also select F4. I click it. I place the rectangle over the area that I want to show. As you can see, when I place the rectangle over the area that I want to keep, a box will form over the picture. To make the color transparent, I need to find the color settings on the side over here. I will need to ensure that all of them are at 0. So R, G, B, A. I need to move these all down to 0. And I can do that by dragging. And A. And now they're transparent. The final step to cropping the picture is that I select all so that all the parts of the objects are selected. I go to Object, Clip, and I set it. And that way, the sides of the picture are removed. The next step will be resizing the object. Resizing the object is important for ensuring that the object isn't too big for the project, especially when adding text. To resize in Inkscape, you're going to go to Object, Transform. Now your Transform menu will come up on the right side of your screen. I want it to be noted that there are multiple ways that you can transform your particular object. You've got inches, pixels, centimeters, feet, points, anything that you want, or percentages. Right now it's in percentages and it's scaled proportionally. What that means is that it'll stay the same difference between the two sides. For my particular project, I want to scale it in inches. And I want to keep the height as close to 7 inches as I can get it. So I'm going to keep it proportional and change it to 7 inches. Now that's kind of a weird number, 5.169, but I'm okay with that because I like the proportion of it. So you hit apply, and now the size is 7 inches by 5.169 inches. Once I've resized my project, I'm going to add text to it. To do this, I'm going to select the text box tool on the toolbar to the left, and I'm going to add text to the poster. This particular one is for an event called Evening at the Beach. So I place it, I type it, I'm going to resize it, and then I'm going to look for a font that's a little bit more suitable to the event. The final step in the process that I want to demonstrate is to export the image that we created. To do that, I have to remove my transform box. I have to remove my fill and stroke box. I have to press File, Export PNG Image. Now there are a few areas that I can select. I can select Page, I can select Drawing, I can select Selection, I can select Custom. What I usually do to be safe is I push Edit, Select All, and then I choose Selection for my export. When I'm exporting, I hit Export As, I name my image, I decide where I want my image to go, I save it, and the final step, which you can't forget, is to press the export button. Otherwise, you won't have exported your image. Thank you so much. I hope that this tutorial helped you learn to edit an image in Inkscape.
This video is brought to you by the Professional Writing Club. For more information, follow us on Twitter at PWClub at UAB and like us on Facebook at Professional Writing Club at UAB.